guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some of the shortcuts that will make your life easier when you are using Microsoft Word. So I'm just going to type in hey guys and welcome back to this channel. I have a few to make it bold, Ctrl+B to make it slanted, I don't know, like an italics thingy, Ctrl+I to underline it, Ctrl+U. I'm just going to make the font bigger, and this is how you can view the shortcuts. So Control and the arrow, I don't know what the thing is called. It should work. I don't know why it's not working. But if it doesn't, just use the usual to copy, Ctrl+C, and then to paste, Ctrl+V to copy everything, Ctrl+A first, then Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. It's going to copy and paste both of them. And then I think those are a few that I can think of right now. But you can definitely check on the shortcuts by kind of overlaying it here. To save, Ctrl+S. To make a new document, Ctrl+N. And I think there's also one for a new page. But you can just put it here. But that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!